When it comes to opening an investment account for your retirement, you might be wondering which one offers the best tax advantage and provides the biggest payout in the long run, tailored to your specific situation. There are three primary options to consider: 401k, IRA, and Roth IRA. Your employment status and tax preferences will play a significant role in determining the most suitable choice. Let's delve into each option to find out which one might align with your needs. 401k. If your employer offers a 401k match, this presents an excellent opportunity to benefit from free money, often ranging from 3 to 6% of your salary. One significant advantage of a 401k is the potential employer match. Additionally, contributions to a 401k are tax-deductible for the year you make them. However, one drawback is that you have limited control over investment choices, possibly leading to higher-cost funds. Moreover, early withdrawals before the age of 59.5 will incur penalties, and you must start withdrawing funds at age 70.5, with distributions being taxed as ordinary income. Traditional IRA. A traditional IRA is an individual retirement account that you can open with an advisor or online. If your employer provides a 401k match, consider contributing enough to maximize the match and then invest any additional funds in an IRA. IRAs typically offer more investment choices and can include various funds, stocks, and bonds. However, the contribution limits for IRAs are lower compared to 401ks. Similar to a 401k, early withdrawals before age 59.5 are subject to penalties, and mandatory withdrawals must begin at age 70.5, with distributions taxed as ordinary income. Roth IRA. Roth IRAs offer similar investment options to traditional IRAs, but there is no tax deduction in the current year for contributions. The advantage lies in tax-free withdrawals during retirement, making it a favorable option for individuals who do not require the immediate tax deduction. Contributions to a Roth IRA are not tax-deductible, but earnings grow tax-free, and there are fewer restrictions on withdrawals. There are maximum contribution limits for Roth IRAs, which increase for individuals over 50. SEP IRA. For self-employed individuals or small business owners, SEP IRA allows for higher contributions, up to a limit of $56,000 per year, or 25% of your adjusted gross income, whichever is less. Contributions to SEP IRA are tax-deductible in the year they are made, similar to traditional IRAs, but distributions during retirement are taxed as ordinary income. The same early withdrawal penalties and mandatory withdrawals starting at age 70.5 apply to SEP IRAs. Brokerage accounts. Investing in a brokerage account, such as Robinhood, does not offer any tax deductions for contributions, and gains will typically be taxed at capital gains rates. The advantage of a brokerage account lies in the flexibility it provides. You can contribute and withdraw funds as you please, without the same restrictions as retirement accounts. However, capital gains tax will apply when you make withdrawals, which may be lower than the income tax rate you would face with a 401k or traditional IRA withdrawal. Selecting the most suitable retirement fund depends on whether you prefer immediate tax benefits or tax-free withdrawals during retirement. To simplify the decision, estimate your income during retirement. If your income is expected to be lower during retirement than it is currently, a traditional IRA or a 401k might be more beneficial due to the current higher tax bracket. Conversely, if you anticipate higher income during retirement, a Roth IRA would likely be more tax efficient. Consulting a tax professional is essential to make well-informed decisions tailored to your future. In many cases, utilizing the benefits of different account types by establishing and contributing to multiple accounts can be a prudent strategy. The key is to start contributing early and consistently, ensuring your nest egg grows to support a comfortable retirement after your working years.